What up, Sigmas? Tazrax here, and I will be showing off a multi-tool. So first, all you're going to want to do is copy the code in the description, and then save it as whatever .bat. So then open it, and yeah, it's pretty basic. It shows all the files in the folder, so like pingify and not itself. So if I added like a text or whatever, that, close it out, or maybe my update, no, just open it again. It shows the thing. The thing is, if you want to make something like, if you want to have like other files but not have it scanned, is have the multi-tool in a different folder but still in like this one big folder. So you could have like a guide right here and then just the multi-tool, so you don't like mess anything up. So see if it works. We can open pingify, and I'll also read the code for that one, just the ping thing. So it works pretty good. It's pretty basic, but if you're really looking for a multi-tool but you don't know how to do anything, there, it's pretty simple. So it works pretty good. And thank you guys for watching.